What are the top 5 services provided by AWS? Let us explore with Whizlabs. AWS Elastic Compute Cloud EC2. It is a web service that provides secure, resizable compute capacity in the cloud. AWS Relational Database Services RDS. It is a managed service from AWS using you can set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud easily. AWS Lambda. It is an event-driven serverless computing service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. AWS Simple Storage Service S3. It is a service that provides as cloud-based persistent storage through a web service interface. AWS Elastic Container Service ECS. It is a highly scalable, fast container management service that makes it easy to run, stop, and manage containers on a cluster. Happy learning with Whizlabs.